Hey gearheads, and welcome back to Car Trend, your go-to place for everything automotive, where we break down the past, present, and future of the most iconic machines ever built. Today we're diving into something truly special, a truck that's been revived to capture hearts and conquer roads, the Ford F100 4x4 2026. This isn't just a new pickup, it's a bold statement that Ford knows how to honor its heritage while charging into the future. The Ford F100 has a legendary status. Back in the mid-20th century, this truck wasn't just transportation, it was a way of life. Strong, dependable, and built to work hard, the F100 quickly became an icon in American automotive culture. Fast forward to 2026, and Ford has taken all of that history, all of that grit, and transformed it into a modern powerhouse that blends classic design elements with cutting-edge technology. The moment you lay eyes on it, you know you're looking at something special. The exterior is a perfect mix of retro styling with a contemporary twist. The squared-off stance, bold grille, and muscular lines are all nods to its heritage, while the futuristic LED headlights, aerodynamic curves, and sleek accents scream modern innovation. Performance is where the 2026 Ford F100 really shines. Ford has engineered multiple powertrain options to satisfy both traditionalists and tech-savvy drivers. You can opt for a raw and mighty V8 that pays homage to the truck's muscle roots, or go for a hybrid setup that delivers torque, efficiency, and eco-friendly performance without sacrificing power. No matter which option you choose, the 4x4 system is built for dominance. With terrain management modes, advanced suspension, and off-road capabilities, the F100 2026 can handle mud, rocks, snow, or sand like a true warrior. Whether you're pulling a trailer, heading into the wilderness, or just cruising through the city streets, this truck doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them. Step inside the cabin, and you'll immediately notice Ford's commitment to blending ruggedness with luxury. The interior is crafted with premium materials, offering leather seating, spacious legroom, and a driver-focused design. But it's not just about comfort, it's about technology too. The fully digital dashboard, massive touchscreen infotainment system powered by the latest Sync software, wireless connectivity, and advanced navigation all come together to make the F100's interior feel like a command center. Classic-inspired knobs and trims sit comfortably alongside futuristic controls, giving you the sense that this is a truck with one foot in the past and one firmly planted in the future. Safety and driver assistance are front and center. The 2026 Ford F100 comes equipped with Ford's Copilot 360 package, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, automatic emergency braking, and more. Whether you're driving long stretches of highway or maneuvering through tight urban streets, this truck gives you confidence and peace of mind every mile of the way. But the real magic of the Ford F100 4x4 2026 is how it makes drivers feel. For those who remember the classics, it's a nostalgic experience, like meeting an old friend who has grown stronger, smarter, and sharper. For younger enthusiasts, it's an introduction to a legend that still feels relevant and exciting. Ford has managed to connect generations with this truck, showing that heritage can be celebrated without being stuck in the past. So, is the 2026 Ford F100 4x4 worth the buzz? Absolutely. It's powerful, stylish, versatile, and built with both tradition and the future in mind. It's not just another pickup, it's a rebirth of an icon that refuses to fade away. That's all for today's deep dive into the Ford F100 4x4 2026. Here on Car Trend. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated with more automotive legends and future game changers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. Car Trend is your hub for everything cars, and we've got so much more coming your way.